What is going on, you guys? Larry Star 1999 on YouTube. No, it's been a while since I've done an Offered Outlaws episode. I still need to do an update on the other two maps, but I figured we mess around with this. But other than that, you know how everything's been lately with my channel been come on. This is why I can't stand with the logs being loose. Gosh darn it. Fuck. Is this how we're gonna... Mother... Come on! This is unfair! Come on! Take two on that. After seeing all that mess. Yeah, I almost rage quit on that one. That was just stupid. I'm just surprised how they decide to update, you know, a couple, you know, regular maps, but no vehicles. It's like, oh, no. And I checked out, you know, Street Outlaws, which, you know, kind of disappointed in them, realistically, because the typical, you know, bullshit they pull, just like this game with the whole membership bullshit. It's like, come on, man. It's like, can we just at least have fun with a car? Even if it's something we can't fucking afford. Gosh, now I got myself on a raging spree. Oh, come on. Can this thing even get any traction? Come on. Just shred these tires. Wow. Didn't get anything yet. Well, apparently we got all the logs done, which is good. Congratulations for myself for getting them. Now all I gotta do is the rocks and, well, the crates. That's going to be done on the next episode when I do this. And I kind of hope you enjoyed this. But like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That's when I know when I upload. And we'll see you all in the next one.